एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्टडी एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी। हमारे करियर्स फॉर लाइफ सीरीज के पिछले वीडियो में मैंने आपको एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी एज अ कंपनी सेक्रेटरी के बारे में बताया था एंड उसमें आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा कोर्स है, इसको किसी भी स्ट्रीम के स्टूडेंट्स फॉलो कर सकते हैं। तो आज मैं उसी वीडियो के कंटिन्यूएशन में आपको कंपनी सेक्रेटरी एग्जीक्यूटिव एंट्रेंस टेस्ट के बारे में पूरी डिटेल्स दूंगी, all the eligibility criterias and what is asked in the examination and when you can register, the website, everything will be provided in the description box. So keep watching this video to know it in detail. Company secretary is a law based course. In this you can go for any combination such as law plus company secretary, or do a BCom with company secretary, or even pursue and BBA with company secretary. To know more in detail about the career opportunities as a company secretary, you can check out our previous video, the link of which is given in the description box as well as in the I button. The company secretary executive entrance test is the common national level entrance test to be given by all the students who want to pursue company secretary as a career. This is held 4 times a year in the month of May, July, November and January. Any student who has passed his 10+2 examination or is a graduate or a postgraduate has to give this examination. Only some exemptions are there who can skip this examination and directly take admission in the company secretary executive program. These exemptions include anyone who has completed the CS foundation course which was held previously, anyone who has completed all the groups of the CA course, anyone who has completed a course from ICMAI. All such exemptions have to pay an amount of 5,000 rupees as a registration to the executive program and can skip the entrance test. Now coming to the CSEET exam pattern. This is an MCQ based test in which you have 4 different sections from which the questions will be asked. Also, after the written section, there will be a viva voce through an AI proctored examination that will be held either just after the exam or in a different slot. Some questions will be asked and you have to answer them orally. You will be given 120 minutes to solve the MCQ questions and the 15-minute time will be there for the viva voce. The questions from the MCQ test will be from different sections which includes business communication, legal aptitude and logical reasoning, current affairs, and economic and business environment. There will be 15 questions from the current affairs section will make up to 20 marks, while from the other 3 sections 35 questions will be asked from each section which will make up to 50 marks from each, and hence the total marks of this examination will become 170. The viva voce will be for 30 marks and the final score of the exam will be given out of 200 marks. And to pass in this examination, you have to get an aggregate of 50% with 40% in each subject. To register for this examination, you have to pay a sum of 1000 rupees for some categories such as SC, ST, handicapped, defense, many other categories. You can also get some concession on the registration fees. Now coming to the course structure of the company secretary examination. The Institute of Company Secretaries of India develop and regulates the curriculum for this examination. You will have to pass 2 programs for becoming a company secretary after clearing CSEET. The first program is Company Secretary Executive Program and the second is Company Secretary Professional Program. The validity of the CSEET exam is 1 year, that is within 1 year you have to apply for the executive program or else you will have to repeat the test. The Executive Development Program is for 1 month in which you have the classes regarding the soft skills as well as executive management. This program also includes a 21-month training for in any professional company so as to gain the practical knowledge of the subject. You can register for the CS professional program just after completing the executive program. The registration for the professional program is held 2 times a year, once in July and other in December. Within a span of 5 years from clearing your CSEET examination, you have to pass both these courses, and after completion of these courses, you will be known as a company secretary. One of the major pros of this entrance test is that there is no negative marking, so you can always attempt the most of the questions that you can. For any more queries, you can comment in the section below. We'll definitely try to answer them. The link to the ICSI website is given in the description box. You can check it out in case you want to apply for the CS program. Also, all the CA aspirants and other commerce students who are still confused to whether pursue CS or CA, we are coming up with a CA video in the next video of this series. So stay tuned. If you like this video, then please subscribe to Study Extraordinary and share this video with all the students who wanted to know about company secretary as a career. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Bye.